Welcome back, everybody, to Flair for Adornment. This is my 2023 Halloween yard tour. In 2023, I wasn't able to pull the clips together, so I thought I'd start off my 2024 spooky season with a review of what I did in 2023. I've been collecting pieces for the last 20 years, so I hope you enjoy the yard tour and consider subscribing and coming back for my 2024 yard tour. Thank you for being here and consider coming back for 2024. There are going to be some great new pieces, and I'd hope you consider subscribing.